What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. Back on the 46 Nash, old monster Nash, coming a long ways. As you've seen in the last video, we got the front end looking good. It's actually the same day, just a few minutes later. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to finish up on the roof. We pretty much got that side good to go, but I'm gonna actually cut it back off and raise it up a little bit because the doors ain't gonna open like it is. So we're just gonna add a little bit more metal here and raise it up just a ½ inch maybe. Anyways, with that being said, let's hop to it. Got this section here of the quarter glass taped off. Now we can go ahead and zip cut it on off. Alright, so we've worked into the dark, but we got this side tacked on there. And we're gonna resume tomorrow, but she's coming along. I'm hoping tomorrow to try and get the roof on it, so that'll be cool. All right, as you can see, the sunset. Try not to fall. But yeah, there you have it. See you tomorrow. Next day, that's where we left off. Want to go ahead, take the center section of the roof that I cut out, which is where the roof line was, and we're going to try and fit this in between the two quarter glasses, see if we can save on metal. So let's go ahead and try and get that fitted up in there. All right, so the middle part of the roof is on. Excuse my crappy MIG welds or flux core welds, but yeah, it's coming along. Now I just want to try and put the glass section on it and see how it looks. Obviously we're going to have to probably wrap a lot of metal around through here, but you know, that ain't that big a deal. I've begun cleaning out all this caked up mud and clay. Man, it is packed on there thicker than concrete. Look at this side. I mean, it's pretty much just pure solid dirt. It's caked on there, inches thick. I mean, it's coming off thick. Let's see if I can get it to break off. I mean, just look how thick that is. It is on there thick. All right, let's go ahead and get this side cleaned up and resume again. Went around and found a tire and rim to put on it. I must say, whatever kind of rim it is, it made it pop pretty good. I'm really digging the old Nash. Monster Nash is really coming along. Like I said, she or he, I ain't really decided. It's just a habit of saying she, but the Monster Nash is starting to really come along. It really is, though. Like I said, we got to put a filler piece all up and through here. But overall, I mean, it's coming along really good for a first time, you know, chop top or whatever. I mean, building a custom car is not easy. I don't know, I give Bad Chad credit for building them classic customs so quick. I mean, it's just unbelievable how much work and precision cuts go into this. It is so unbelievably hard. I mean, like, for real. So, like I said, but if I can do it, you can do it. So, like I said, put your mind to it and put your vision to reality. I mean, that's pretty much how easy it is. And like I said, once I get a small block Chevy, which I have sitting right over there, y'all probably already know it runs good. We'll probably put that thing in here And I think she'll be sitting pretty good. Like I said, we still got to do the rockers, floors. But, yep, that's it.